Please stand and put your right hand over your heart for the Pledge of Allegiance. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all.
Hi everyone, it's T-Bird of the Week. I want you to have, first of all, a really great Thursday today, and know that the next couple of weekends, we do have a 3-day weekend, so rest up and enjoy those 3-day weekends. Something I've been discussing with some of our students is just about perfectionism. And sometimes we put pressure on ourselves and allow us to have anxiety when we don't do something right or we don't do something well. But all those things that we may have not do well or may not have gotten a perfect score of something, because when we think about every time we have to be perfect or we have to get 100%, it causes anxiety amongst us. But know that as you become better at something, of course there's going to be time that you're bound to not do something well, but those are moments, and let's really think about those moments and soak those moments in, because when I think about those moments, those are moments that we grow the most. Those are moments that are okay, and it's okay not to do something well, but know that whether it's sports or academics or something in our lives, know that those moments when we don't do something well are those great challenges that we could try something different and really allow us to grow as individuals. So instead of trying to put too much pressure on yourselves, think about those moments as growing opportunities and moments where we can really allow ourselves to grow. Doesn't matter if you're in kindergarten or 8th grade, even as a kindergartner, when you are, oh, I didn't get this right, it's okay. Let's figure out a way so that the next time we could do something that much better. With that being said, everyone, I want you to continue to be kind to yourselves and to those around us, and have a wonderful 3-day weekend. Bye everyone.
3, 2, 1, go!
When you love me， 我有很多剧情们，一颦一笑，清醒都可以保证对你100%的专情。哎哦哎哦哎哦 ，I love you baby。
A promise. When the bell rings, we start. When we are challenged, we think. When the work gets difficult, we exert more effort. One team, one goal. Thunderbirds soar with pride, excellence, and commitment.
Shark, do 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 do, mommy shark.
Daddy shark, do 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 do, daddy shark, do 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 do, daddy shark, do 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 do, daddy shark.
Grandma shark, do 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 do, grandma shark, do 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 do, grandma shark, do 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 do, grandma shark.
Expectations. Be responsible, initiate good safety, respect yourself and others, demonstrate preparedness, and strive for success.